We got one of New York's dopest upcoming artists, one of the talented artists in NYC coming to the stage right now. And it's about to get real crazy in here. So this gentleman right here, before he comes to the stage, he just dropped the CD this week. It's called Daily Conversations. It's crazy. I just copped it. He just had an in-store in Fat Beats. He performed in front of 20,000 people, performed on the same stage as Eclipse. A lot of other signed artists. Got a lot of respect in the game. Make sure you visit his website after this performance. And without further ado, I ain't gonna even say no more. Give it up for Teray, the young veteran. Nah, hold up, man. Give it up for Teray, the young veteran, y'all. Come on. It's a real hip-hop. Keep the music going, man. What's good?
Yo, Snitch, what up? How y'all feeling? Y'all feeling good? Make some noise if you came out here to support your people. Like that run. I want to talk to them real quick. Anybody trying to get this money for the new year? Anybody trying to get this money for the new year? I go by the name of Teray, like Reese said, man. My album dropped today actually. But I did the in-store yesterday. It's called Daily Conversation. I got a couple heavy hitters on. I got my man DJ Premier, Ninth Wonder, my man Crisis, Marco Polo. I'm gonna get into this first joint. It's called Calling Me. I think the artists in here feel like I know there's a lot of artists in the house. Make some noise if you're trying to get it this year. Let's go. Cheers. So I don't know what it is, they got a hold of me. I try to leave, but damn, they keep calling me. I try to keep it low key, but it's notice me, I hide, but it's always me. So I don't know what it is, let's move it too fast. We don't do it if it ain't right? We don't do it if it ain't right. I think the speed on that is a little quick. Let's slow that down a little bit. God damn it. I'm gonna ran out of breath on the third bar. So I'm gonna go back through the intro and all that. Real quick, Club Snitch, make some noise, goddammit. I ain't no rookie at this shit. He said I performed in front of 20,000. You gotta make sure it's right though. I done seen the biggest entertainers stop it until they get right. So like I said, Daily Conversation, this shit is called Calling Me. I'm still Teray. And when the beat drop, we just gonna rock out, alright? Y'all with that? That's what it is. I'm stop asking y'all questions when y'all stop answering. Yo, I don't know what it is, they got a hold of me. I try to leave, but damn, they keep pulling me. I try to keep it low key, but they notice me. I hide, but they always see. Yo, I don't know what it is, they got a hold of me. I try to leave, but damn, they keep pulling me. I try to keep it low key, but they notice me. I hide, but they always see. Look, I said sometimes I just wanna give it up, but I can't, dog. The songs in the nigga blood. So whenever I hear dopeness, I keep the bug. When I'm on stage and I rock, and they give me love, I get the yo-yo effect. I keep coming back. I keep writing, keep putting my vocals over tracks. 6 said, so you need rap rehab. But I've been in it like 4 times, I relapsed. There's nothing I can do to keep me out of the stew. Whether I'm broke or I'm rich as a Jew. Can I try switching my number? That didn't do. Cause the call was so strong that it kept me through. To the bars I keep pinning, boots I keep ripping. When I'm on stage, it boosts my adrenaline. I get hype when I write, I need Ritalin. If you pay attention and listen, then I don't know what it is, they got a hold of me. I try to leave, but damn, they keep pulling me. I try to keep it low key, but they notice me. I hide, but they always see. I don't know what it is, they got a hold of me. I try to leave. I'm gonna switch it up for y'all, but bring it up. I'm more familiar to the end. Y'all rock on. I'm like an international zone poster, all posters, CD covers and magazine exposures. Did every show in the city for exposure. During that course, I gathered a few soldiers. Niggas keep talking like hip-hop is over. Now I scratch that like New York is over. Long as I'm here in New York, but hold up. Hey yo, Club Snitch, make some goddamn noise. Who's warming that up? David, I heard niggas been sleeping on sort of young veteran. You out of your mind? My bars spit this out of your spine. And them same bars keep this on the rewind. And repeat till you learn every line. I was ahead of my time. My first offer at 14 for Wild Bitch. But that was raping you records, niggas was wild slick. Thinking of slick, he took my tape to Diddy spot. And put me on his compilation that him and Diddy dropped. But that ain't never pop, let's move on to CBJ. He had me coming to the hit factory every day. But back then, he was working on the second thing. It's all good, no love lost. I ain't forget you, Rainy. That's Foxy brother. He said that my shit was dope, so I go right up to book. My man will give it some beats. The same like test riding the beat. That was just another deal that walked out of my reach. Man, this rap shit is getting to me. Let me continue my speech. Went to the radio to spit bars from Sugar Man. He said, make sure your demo get to the office, fam. But I don't know. When I put the tape in Laura hands, if it ever made it to home or hit the garbage can. I know about Timberland, I rapped in the elevator. With Tim and Mag, you know, when there was hella haters. But by the time we got down to the lobby, Tim was straight ready to sign me. We kept in touch, probably kicked it for a couple of months. One day I called, he didn't pick up, and I didn't get the new number. I done had meetings from Martin Miles about the more. And Trevor J and Jay, they know about your boy. You can't none of them tell you they wasn't feeling sore. All of them was getting contempt to take it to their boss. Except Clark, and we still cool to this day. And he ain't really enjoyed too many after Jay, cause he had Sandman, Curtis, and Jerome Marquis. And they all came before me, that's just priorities. A few niggas probably see me with the diplomat. Before they had the bird chains and the fitted hat. Before the rock deal, the cocktail, platinum black. When I drove the back, niggas got the burners in the back. We had plenty fun, got it all with anyone. Niggas scratch more than we rapped in every city, son.
So why you never signed with Dipset, Joe?
Honestly, man, I don't know, but them my niggas, though. They say God got his own plan, that's really real. I could've been did the Baby Slim and Manny deal at the Nassau when Youngin went on. 20,000 couldn't be wrong, and that was without a song. That's why I'm better we young, been around the block. Trying to sell me a dream, that ain't the option. Monday nights waiting for crew outside of hot. That's how I hooked up with Game before they signed the rock. Hold that down for a second, Lava. Tell me it's a motherfucking artist in here who ain't feel that, man. Y'all niggas done got soul dreams. I know I done got soul dreams. You done took a gang of meetings. You done dropped your demo off in wild offices. These niggas talking a bunch of bullshit. That's why you gotta take it into your own hands, man. I put my album out today. You know what I'm saying? I got distribution through Fat Beats, who got distribution through Koch. You know what I'm saying? This shit came out on my company. Cause sometimes they don't see the picture till you draw the whole shit, color it in. You feel me, fam? That's what it is. So that shit called A Journey.